How to fix Facebook add friend option missing problem. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can fix the Facebook add friend option missing problem. So without further delay, let's get started. So as you can see on my Facebook profile, when I'm on my view section, there I cannot find add option under my profile. Now, in order to fix that, what you have to do is you have to go back, and once you're on your profile, tap on the profile icon at the top right with the three line icon. That's gonna take you to your menu piece. Here, tap on the settings option or settings icon. On the settings and privacy, you have to scroll down a bit, and on the audience and visibility, there is an option for how people find and contact you. You have to tap on it. And at the top, there you have an option for who can send you friend request. Tap on it, and here select everyone, and then tap on save button. And with that, your problem is now solved, and the add friend option will be showed on your profile. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.